So in the beginning of the program, prior to starting the program, the issues that I was concerned about that we discussed in the office were that I had cravings for sugar, and that was a big item for me because I love sweets and always have. So I was kind of thinking, all right, let's see how this is going to work because that's a big tough one for me. Other issues were I was fatigued, would be fatigued during the day, and was having a hard time going to sleep. So those were the my three biggest concerns. And to doing the program for the last 4 months, um, Halloween happened during that 4 months, and during that Halloween, I did not have one piece of candy, and that to me was very huge in it for itself. So the fact that I kind of just the cravings for sweets have gone away. Sleep wise, I used to have problems going to bed. Now, when I put my head on the pillow, I'm going to sleep. Miraculously enough. And the other thing was fatigue. Part of midday routine, I would have to have something sweet. And now, since I don't have the desire for the sweets, I'm not fatigued. Not that one was a correlation with the other, so to speak, but they do happen to have both of them happen to go away at the same time. So the big difference in the compliments I'm getting here at the office, whereas back when I first started the program, was looked a little swelled up, and during that 4 month period, and since being on the program, I've lost about 15 pounds during that time frame. So everyone else is telling me I look great, but I know I do look a little better, but I also feel great. And that's all from doing the program, and thanks to Dr. Mike and his office for helping me out.